If you are wondering if we have a dedicated astrophoto mode in the camera on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. If we go to the camera over here, then of course we can try to find this dedicated mode by going to the More section, and you might think that maybe the night mode is the one that you should use, but not really. Of course, it can be used in order to capture photos at night. There is also the tripod mode, however, they will not really assist you with the photos of moon or stars, like it is possible on some other smartphones. Usually, in order to capture a pretty good photo of a moon or of stars, there's a long timer, and therefore we need to usually use like a tripod or something to stabilize the photo. But in this case, that is not really the case. So if we even try to use the tripod mode, as you can see, we have only like 10-second timer, which might not be really enough. Of course, you can give it a try, and probably this is the closest thing that we can do, the closest mode that allows you to capture a somewhat good, maybe, astrophotos. However, of course, it is not guaranteed that it's going to work that well. And you might also try to use the Pro mode, but of course, the Pro mode requires you to have some more knowledge about these parameters that we have in the Pro mode to know how to set it up to try to capture stars. Leave a like and subscribe.